What's up, guys? Back to CB Outdoors. As you can see, my hair's frizzy. We just ran down the lake, but we're out here fishing on the old Nitrado today. See if we can get you guys a fish. Starting off with this jig, I got. Well, if I can get this out of here. There we go. Got the old All-Star rod. Just got it from Bassmaster Classic the other day. Let's see how it does. Had to put this reel on it. That's not the original. Well, it didn't come with a reel, but this is the reel I got to put on it. See what we can do. What's up, guys? We switched up the old A-rig here. See if we can get something to hit it. Thing's rough throwing it. Even with this, I mean, this is a big rod. I bought this, it's a fast heavy, so it does all right. That's pretty good. Can't complain really. Feel it dragging over rocks. Well, let's just hope a big old 5-pounder comes out there and just, oh. Got talon fishing back here. Just got the old jig tied on. Oh, talon's hooked up, boys. Looks like a good one too. Mm-hmm. And when you butt flip him, just hold him over top of the net. Get him down. Get a good one. Get him down. Get him down. Yeah.
Feel good. Oh,
that's a good one.
That's a good one. Oh my lord.
That's a really good one.
That's a really good.
I mean,
what I'm talking about, baby.
I think that might be a PB right there. Man, oh man. I don't know for sure or not, guys, but I think I hooked a fish and it got stuck in wood. As you can see, I gotta get over this tree so I don't break nothing. Let's see what's up. It's coming up now. Nope, boys, we got us a nice big old stick. What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh. There's 2 of them. What is happening?
Oh my god, bro.
Well,
brand new rod.
2 brand new rods. Jesus.
Oh my lord.
Gosh.
Might be able to clean up that reel.
Yeah, I might be able to clean up the reels. The poles are ruined.
Somebody had a bad day.
Yeah, somebody lost a bunch of poles. Look at that, guys. Jeez. Alright, guys. That reel's messed up. Yeah, there ain't no
This one might be able to be restored.
This is nasty.
She's stiff.
I'm probably gonna throw this reel back in. We'll probably keep this pole, but
Yeah, I think this one's far gone as well.
is it really?
Maybe, yeah. There's
Oh no, maybe I can do a cleaning reel video on. What was that? Maybe I can do a cleaning reel video.
These things smell bad.
Yeah, they do. Jeez.
Somebody had a really bad day though.
Yeah, we can clean these up later.
Where are you gonna put these things?
I'm throwing this reel away. As you can see, it's an Ozark trail. Huh? Yeah, I know. I made a mess.
This bush is full of adventure.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, but look how easy that line broke. Alright, so we have us 1 reel. Well, look at that.
Is it smooth?
Yeah. I
Clean
mean,
that bad boy up.
we'll clean this bad boy up and use it later. Just gonna set that there. And we got that ugly stick.
You have to wash them, though.
Yeah, I know, I got washing. Let's throw that out there. Then this pole feels pretty good. Ozark Trail. Just gotta clean this crap before we stick it in my boat. Huh. Tell me that's weird. I've never seen an Ozark trail look like that.
Dang, it's red. I didn't know that.
I mean, that feels
How's it feel? I ain't touched it.
feels good. Good wacky worm rod. Huh. Alright guys, it started raining. We're throwing jigs on this big point. Not really a big point, but there's a point here, so. Tactical Bassin said there was fish on point, so I guess we'll take his word for it. He is the goat. But that last one was not, most of the fish we've been catching were in trees. After picking up those poles, I probably have infections. So just keep in mind.
Get some shots after.
You gotta get some tetanus shots after this. Stay down, boy. Stay down, boy. Yeah, I'm good. Oh,
Yeah.
nice one.
That's what I'm talking
Cast
about.
over there. There's a school of them. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I do not feel like getting hooked. Stop it. I do not feel like getting hooked. Alright, boys. Second fish of the day.
Rainy day.
I just had one follow it up, and I cast it in the same spot right here, and he was like, yum, 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 yum. Alright, we got the two big ones in here. We're testing it. God, yours makes mine look small. Alright, guys. First spot was a W. Got 2 fish, 2 poles. And over here, I was dragging a leaf and something was following it. Why he was wanting to hit a leaf, I have no idea. But we're going to head to a different spot up the lake, see if we can get some fish there. All right, boys, we are at the new spot. Well, the next spot. Not really new, but gonna try and get on some fish in here. My hands are cold. Talon here, eating some Funyuns. Having one of them bad boys. And get them. Can't go wrong with Funyuns. Look at these things. You just can't go wrong with them. Guys, we got a moose. Got a moose on there. Yeah, look at that tree pounder. Look at that. Yep, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump. Oh, he got off. Dang it. Well, this spot's ruined. All right, boys. We're in our last spot. The good old marina. Couldn't catch fish here earlier. See if it's changed. God, it's cold. Put my hands in my old pockets for a second. I'm just kidding. Ain't nobody got time for that. Got time to catch a big old 5-pounder. I've been waiting on him for years. I'll find him one of these days. We'll find him one day.
Crawdaddies.
Yep, crawdaddies.